Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2019 outdoors RV. This is the Timber Ridge 24 RKS. It's a rear kitchen, double door, 4-season travel trailer. A couple of things that make these trailers unique. Number one, you'll see the big fiberglass cap on the front, and it has a rhino coating as well as the diamond shield up here for additional layer of protection. You see it's got the solar resistant graphics. It's even got a custom-made frame. They make their own. It's not a Lippert. This allows them to seal the underbellies. You can put heat to the tanks, so you don't have to worry about freeze-ups during cold weather. Power hitch jack, and of course stabilizers on all the sides. Solar ready, and it's a plug-and-play. You simply plug this into a Zamp solar panel, and you are off-grid. 1-inch thick doors instead of 1/2-inch. Rubber diamond shield mat on the bottom for easy cleanup. Battery disconnect. Of course, this is aluminum frame construction, 2-inch thick walls, not one. It has screw-on lenses on the lights even, not the snap caps, which always fill up with water. Big awning across the entryway here, and you can see that's got an awning protector on it as well. There's also an LED light rope behind there. Nice thing about those, they don't attract bugs to your campsite. We have a MORryde suspension with shock absorbers. This is an off-road cambered chassis with alloy wheels and Goodyear tires, not Chinese tires, not that stiff old ride with leaf springs. Here you see it's the Timber Ridge 24 RKS, one of the better warranties in the business, and of course made in Oregon. On the back side we've got our spare tire, built-in ladder. See the curvature to the roof? That roof is 5 inches thick to give you an idea on insulation. That's where your most heat loss is on an RV. LED lights, of course, all the way around. Even our outside shower has got an insulated door that's 1 inch thick. And it too has the magnetic fastener. Black tank flush on these, standard equipment. Even the floors are laminated, it's not plywood. That's going to give you an extra layer of insulation as well. They do use plywood on these in the construction, however, instead of pressboard, so that's one of the few trailers that actually do use plywood. Let's go inside and look at this floor plan. Aluminum steps, radial entry doors. We like those because they don't leak. We got speakers on the outside. It comes with its own outdoors RV welcome mat. And here we are, just kind of pan around. Got a monster of a dinette. We'll look at that in just a moment. Let's kind of focus on the back wall here. This is our rear kitchen. We've got Norcold refrigerator freezer combination, glass top on our 3-burner stove, Suburban oven, built-in knife rack and backsplash, solid surface countertops. We got windows right here where you're preparing your meal, so you got to have a lot of light. Rototorque cabinets that are perfect fit and finish. Lots of pantry storage, lots of silverware storage, even pots and pans storage. The dinette itself, a couple of things they do differently. They make their own table, which is super solid. It's not going to wiggle around on you. Your cushions, notice they're a lot thicker than other brands. They use a denser, thicker foam. It's not going to break down and have a, big old gouge in it where you sit all the time. For storage, they made that easy. Drawers. You have to take the dinette booth apart. Of course, you got all these windows to really enjoy your nature view. If you haven't noticed, we have LED lights in the roof. Skylight, Mountain Series, emboldened right in here. We've got a Jensen television with a Furrion AM/FM CD DVD. Room for your electronic components, that sort of thing. Look at all this storage. This is awesome. Overhead cabinets. Tons of room here. We got a sofa bed combination, so you do have guests sleeping. And look at all this room. When you're on a long trip, this is invaluable to have all that closet space, all these drawers. Down the hallway, on my right, we've got the sink, vanity mirror, medicine cabinet. On the left, our shower, foot flush porcelain toilet, skylight, power exhaust vent. Moving into the bedroom, queen size bed. We got super big nightstands on both sides, and there's also charging stations with plug-ins, overhead reading light, all storage on the back wall, a spot for an additional television if you like. Mountain comfort, pillow top mattress, and of course our own entry exit door. Come and see what makes outdoor RV so unique right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay, 1-800-824-4388, or see us on the web, www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.